name is Tim Geen. I am the Senior Animal Cruelty Investigator for Northeast Oklahoma, a total of 8 counties. I currently represent Tulsa SPCA as the investigator on site. I gotta sniff them out, that's what we do. I usually find them okay. A total of 143 animals taken to our shelter that I was personally responsible for last year, 143. Now there were more than that brought in, but a lot of them came in from other sources, surrenders, people tossing them over the fence. You'd be surprised about that. And the poor old animals, they don't know what's going on. They're the ones that suffer at the hands of an owner that's just ignorant to what's happening.